Mark, with 4 of us, we're gonna win. He has to win, Mark. You have to win, Mark. You have to win. You have to, Mark.
It might not.
It's okay. It's not gonna be Blanca versus Bauer. Blanca versus Blanca.
How do you feel about this matchup?
Oh man, I really hate Willie and I want him to lose. I hate Willie so much.
Hey, somebody said that at the tournament yesterday.
Really? Oh.
Yeah.
It's okay. Dennis knew the links. He got it.
The link.
He got it.
Balrog, alright.
Tell Daryl we got when Dennis we got coaches like this.
Of course.
Yeah, I got my coaches right here, man.
Dude, it's like Punch Out. I get that black guy behind you all the time.
Yeah, no, like the guy goes. Like it's weird.
My name's Jimmy.
I got my stunner.
Oh, dude, he's Paulo.
Blanca? Why Blanca, dog?
You're playing Paulo.